Today's global business environment is rapidly changing due to advancements in technology and communication, as companies everywhere continually strive to meet not only the needs of their existing customers, but also the needs of new generation consumer demand. Technology-driven business solutions are key in achieving long-term sustainable business success, as many new emerging technologies now allow customers to purchase both products and services on demand via interactive mobile platform solutions with over 1 billion smartphones already in use. At the Halo Technology Group, we specialize in creating advanced technology-driven business solutions for all occasions that produce measurable results for you, your customers, and your business. Whether you're looking to attract new customers or retain your existing clientele, effective technological transformation can mean the difference between the success or the failure of any business. From smart mobile app solutions to interactive website design to social media network human interaction management services, we are here to guide you through the effective technological transformation with the latest advancements in technology-driven business solutions. At the Halo Technology Group, we are committed to excellence, as our clients around the world are committed to success.